E.K.Hills Jong Superintendent of Police E.K.Hills District kalayo ban Pynlong biang ya rally Jong VDP Village Defence Party ling baka Sohiong Outpost haka arpo atering November arjab saw ha multi facility center Mautapilun Village Sohiong. Hakani ka program ladan rengkadi acting lingdo Jong Hima Sohiong Shri P Thaba Honorary Advisor VDO E.K.Hills Shillong Shri Kraubok Soklet in charge Jong Sohiong Sub Inspector A Marbanyang Shri K.N. Sangma MPS Subdivisional Police Officer Penusla E.K.Hills. Kajingkren na in charge Sub Inspector Jong Sohiong ulaong ban nakabenta gi VDP ki bakwa ban register yala de kim da day ban penbon kam shu ban da let Shillong Henry kat bala kin yaram na po ka office ya ga ay ka bakidang shem jing e. Ulakran shushu ban batay siya pang kapokso ag kabaday ka jing penstom ka ban dunay ka nyosnem wat hadu shilenter jing im. Kajingkren no MPS Subdivisional Police Officer Penusla E.K.Hills Shillong Kalong bau batay siya pang kimat baka VDP kanyo ban ajing ram markelyang kam kloy haswa ban poi hakakti jong kaan kinday ru ban long ki assistant batikana habami kanu ka jing huri hura kam tam hakijing e bahapo asnong. Hakajingkren ni acting lengdo Shri P Thaba ikan tu ba omday bandan kajing sngo ya pher jing mut bat ki briek jong kaan habaya tray ya ki kam nakabenta ka bha kamiat jong ka imlang salang. Ilapan kan mau shushuru baha ka po jong COVID-19 kan no kalong ka buram ka bakraw e haba ka jing tray lang jong ka bo jong kaan bat ka VDP rengkat kirang basnong banyada ya kan ni ka jing pang.
Dengan abang kau nak aku play di lambat sedang di Presiden VDP bat di nangkit kau sedang berper bat kunjuru ya di langkimi di badan hani mentaksi babilai platform kenang bapinwan syakani karali ngadap dah jingkat bat yang subha ya syakani karali jong ke VDP kalau ke buram bat long chairman je mentaksi kat pangidang ilum lang hang dia Iraki yang jingno senyang kabakordo jong kesek yada sinong kata ka BDP ha syaka imlang salang ke jongi ka BDP kelong umau jam jong ke jingsingan ha kathan ke jongi ka patre stong matne ya ka jingsup jingsan
Saudara and then Senglong Kubi and then all the BDP members from different villages. Now we know that now it's time for harvesting. So in spite of your busy schedule, you have made it convenient to be here with us. So thank you once again. So I just want to know how many BDP registered. Just raise your hand. Kantos no, I registered. Already registered. Registered, ne? Ladam registered, ne?
Ladam ID.
You have ID and all? Done. And then, how many BDP not yet registered? I just want to know. I just raise your hand. But they registered there. So I just request you, please come to Sohiong Outpost and submit your application. So they will do the next one. Okay. So today, shortly, I just want to explain you regarding this duties and functions of BDP. I think most of you have known all those things. Where there is active BDP, then there will be always peace and prosperity in that area. So the BDP is very important role they can play. So they are part and parcel of our police department. Through BDP only, we can control so many crimes. So I just want to explain you something in brief regarding this duties and functions of BDP. Number one, to assist police in maintaining law and order and peace and tranquility in the area. Law and order means sometimes due to some problem, it might be from NGO side, it may be from some other social elements and all, there will be some law and order. That time, we need your assistance. So in every law and order duty, so please don't hesitate to help our police department. Number 2, to carry out patrol, watch in the area allotted for the party to prevent theft, burglary, dacoity and other activities for protection of public lives and property. This is very important. So your duty is sometimes to conduct patrolling also, so that we will be able to prevent all types of social elements like theft, burglary, dacoity, robbery. All those things we can prevent through our active duties. So another thing, to prevent commission of crime. While we are talking prevention of commission of crime, there is so many crimes which we can prevent. In proverb also there is prevention is better than cure. So 50% of the cases, so we can solve through this prevention only.
Hakabaning ko nga ayo yo play wala panla yang ibaro lang maniwan kami kecaka. Bangin ya keren ya ke nakabanta ka jembah jong kisno kitau jong ka imlang salang jong kini kecaka ki area joni segini kitan paro kata ka objective ini yang kas akan ka step. Then I could play Isa. Thank you, sir, that you have spent your valuable time, that you have been with us this afternoon. So, and then aku apa nak play Lindo, by la lapor, by live kat jingkran, mana hari ni ka jingkran kendu jengin, hari ni ka VDP rally jengin. I could play ya kini ki ya CEO. Baiklah, iaka SP office E.K.Hills baiklah organize ini kerana hari ni jaga jadi hanya po Sohiong Outpost bang ilala banyak duduk lang hari ka po kumjuro Indo ayu Indo jongka Indo engkoi Indo lang ni nanta Indo jongka nongse nanta dem. But yakini ki bayawan lang ki officer jong ka VDP, but kumjuru ki ramba shnong ki sardar ki baha ka jingkhot jonga ka balengkot bayawan like ka po jong pi, but yaki VDP ru ki ba liki aktif, but ki ba nang kwa ban ya form yaki VDP jong shnong ki prepare bedon lang hakane ka po. Te namar hakane ko po nakalyang jong ka VDP office ru kila ai kijing pensai sepang kumno kan kum trekam jong ka VDP te tapi kwa ban da kino ki bidon ki tau ki ai kumai la om mene kumno ban form ki VDP tapi so jangai dan chido spo SP office sa shalom sa office jong ki te fila ban wan hang lero ngan ngaru kaladon hi ka knowledge had kuma 50% 60% kumno ban form kumno ban le ki kam ki procedure kaladon ki bangam dan pat ngan kontak mangan ngan penyerap mangai hi kan kamsuk dan kam knowledge di silang za fi kwa ban le dengan sa patai ma kumno ban le kumno ban kedu eki ma te nang ta de nang ta ngam kwa su ban kren sepang jong ka VDP da jangi kwa ban ya kren ru in second du ngan sawan sa kisnong jong pi ne piru pitawan wan ha po office jungi hante po Sohiong dapat pim small type ban wan ru nganong available at any time you can pin sa simu contact number junga sa simu contact ena tapi dan kono bujing e harami ko por nganong kren su ko nganong kren pang ka VDP hendrai ngan sim ya kaneka kabu jong kaneka por bangan batai ki pang kaneka niat kaneka ak kaneka pokso ak ngatrai ki sat snow sepang kaneka pokso ak kani ka de ko wei neki an ki bangi sat penun kam te kani ka kadon ka kot ka an ka bade sepang ki drugs ki ong ka NDPS ak te kadon ka bade sepang ki sepang ki kiat ki de ki excise ak ki forest ak dan sipun ki ak indai ki main ak ki bangi sat penun kam ki de kata ka BNSS, but ka BSA kita kita thamai mensua ki ka IPC, ka CRPC, but ka Indian Evidence Act. Indian lain lagi Indian Act, kalau kita sini act barit balik iyo apa ban keren sepang kani ka ak kabarit damit nama kani ka kot pidai pipet ka kani kabarit ndrei jing pin stong po jong kani kidai bet kiba sans license sam ndai ban dunai kan nyo snem kadai ban extend hadu shir ta jing dim tenta ka tau ngasih kani kabu nama kita itu hadu kani kidon warna kiwe kishnong kenang wa piru kenra lang yang kita kuot kani ka balik iyo kibu ya kani ka ak haga arhajar kan kalong ba.
And then another thing is to give information regarding suspicious and bad characters. If there is any suspicious in your area which are going to make any commit any offences, if you get such information, please don't try to hesitate to inform to police. Immediately, please inform to police so that we can take immediate action just to prevent the crime. And then to ensure that no undesirable elements is admitted into the organization and enlisted as members of VDP. This is while forming this VDP, we should ensure that we should select good persons. There should not be any criminal bad record. So while enlisting the persons, so we should ensure that we should select a good person. And then another thing, to render necessary assistance to police in rescue and relief works connected with national calamities. This is also very important. Whenever any natural calamities occur in our area, say like it may be flood, it may be earthquake, it may be this landslide in our area is frequently occurring. So in this type of cases also, we need your assistance. So you should know all your duties and functions. And that not only that, see, here we are all just like father figure. Everybody we are here means father of some children. Everybody we are having children at home. So I think this will be the right platform. I just want to say something regarding this drugs also. So it is not only police, it is everybody's responsibility. It's your responsibility also. It's being a parents, being a VDP members, being a Sohiong committee, it's all our responsibility. Nowadays we can witness that in our state. This drugs menace is increasing day by day. So we are trying our level best to decrease all this menace. But even though we cannot, because most of the youth we are being spoiled by this drugs only. Very dangerous drugs is. If you drink wine, alcohol, 1 bottle, 2 bottle, but after that you go no, and then after that finish. But drugs, no, once you tested drugs, you won't be able to control. You will need it. So just like recharge, without recharge you won't function.
Kini balle hakamat ke benukong yang begini banton ke jingejan bah ke bade batki kulit banyetre rekat lang batki kulit kabar gila roba ban ki hab ban report ma ya kino ki kampoman ki badon haki caka juki ki hab ban report buat siapa police station lang don kino ki balong kupta bat kila ro ban kem moi ki nole boman kahadian nanta kidan skui gimat kiba ikran haude baka duty jom ki VDP bakata kalong ba ndai thap ba ki kem dan ndai kadang kepo gidon ki jinun shop kamariam mo lesul jumai kadang ka islayum kadang ka eriong kuma kitu ipor kadai ka kamram jom ki khot jom VDP ban ya snok tilang bar ka police department harangkat jom kuwe pat ki bor nak bantau ban ya ram ki pai ba habadan kum kita ki jajing dia ibetang susu ba kanika VDP kadang kami berbor banyak rekat-rekat terkait nomor ba ka jingas nok tilang jom ki VDP rengkat berkaan rengkat ke police department kamu dah yang suka saya bos nang apa tahu ibu tadi susu dah ko batai har bi dai bet kenika case jong drugs mo dah ka baong ba kini kita buat kian buat kisunok nonton dalam nok dalam pengan nonton lokam dalam tan kata kajing kita hantam milen de gila balik berpala berkin nomor 3 kami di jam lagi dan re uni ujung basneu pada drugs ia tu khana ye ke bajia po shalom yo ba dia i banta ka ni ka case kala nan case pala kalau ko ba pala ban control ikuturu ya ki kami pa ba ki de ban pe husiar bhai ya lagi jong ki khon hakanu kom ki ya ki yang hakanu kom ki le school hakanu kom ki le chi yang mani namar ba lada ki khon pi ta drugs ki ba ki da ki shin ki ba ma bi la ban pe kadang kata ki yo ka depression ko ko jong pi umi so tamat ban le ke rusus mat ban shong manoi hapo kamera le se ui mo si mo tenang ta kadang ka jingjai tu jong ubas mat bhaban sumul tentang sisin atayo sisin si benai ubas mat su teman sum kidan kita kisim bu te iban su yang ba
te kaban ko na so yu kaban ai ku blei pi paro pi we ki bala ban don lang hakari ko por kham tam ki nong sisha jong shnong ka thao nang ba shnong bar kum ki kli no sisha jong ka shnong ka thao ka bagi ni dan te is pediang but is ai ku blei ki jing pelak por ka jong thi kum ka jing kit kli nak mata jong ani ka kam pang yo soi ki pensai ko pher aka jingi dei barke imlang salang ka bakta ya ka jai benri ko jungi isnom ki thau ki jungi hima ka jungi te ka ban ko me am sola ban klem da I could play they speak in Sama so I shall speak in Khasi I think most of them are Khasi here so don't mind te agari ko por na subon pa ko jing so kham tam de speak with lang bat gi bat kham tam gi ni rong ba na ka police department iba kwa ban pensai ni kanong rem jo ka VDP kumno wi la ya ka ban Pynlong ni ka shnong ka tha ka shong sok shong sai but bang la ya ka ban wan lam pat ya ka jingi toi la ten na ka lem jong i ginong shong shnong i so ba ka don ka jingi phe pi ka don ka jing so phe ka jong i ro ban ya toi lang ba ki police department la de ba ki brief jo ka sarkar kani ka no ka ba kala haka cing sisa ni dei bani shem ni gido gila kilenti banjang bani trelang batki ban songtho e ka an kumno sisa ni ka shnong idon ka an haka hima idon ka an sisa na pata ka haka me jong ke imlang salang kamla ban songo ke ka bagi shem ba ka mat ka bagi juye keren haka imlang salang jongi shnong idha ho jongi ye keren na ke jige dei bat ka an tiaba ni don ki rangba ka le police department ka ba kloi ka ban shim ni kabu kumno ban sungtho ini bagi dia trailang lembat ka kata kalwan ra ki jing job bagi la ban job ki jing sni ki badon ka imlang salang ka jogi shnong ki thang ki jogi te shikenten han me ka chwa ka ban penkan mau yam la ban klet kai ka ban jia yengi ba kalwan tap lu ya kaparti barok kawai dan tubat club COVID-19 ikan mau ha kajing trailang jo kisnom kita kelawan ra sisa ili wan akari India barok kawai kumno bagi de kitan ki jo ishale kham tam ka state meghalaya bagi nong shong shnong kirang ba shnong hinong elam shnong baro ki shim khialang ni ka ei ka balapatha da ka sarkar wa kata kawan ra ka burong gila sisa ba pau ya kata kajing trailang ba ya kajing ya shim talang kham tam e ka ko ke kya bat ban sumar ila de te da ka ba burom me kajing sisa baro ka dam balada hi ishim ya ka no ko no kala kalenti kaban wanra ya kajing ya kanir ko no ko wai ka benta ka bagi kren menta ba ya kren ya kanik village defense party kalau pangin perkhat ba haka jigi dei baka jing shong sok shong shna jong kishnong ithau ki jogi kumno ila ban lok ala habaki wan ki to strangers la ni ki bri ki ban ki no way no a kumno in la de ka ban kli ki kumno ila ban sungthu ki jing wan juki haka no rem ki wan kumno ki wan teng ki wan ki jing sneo pa ni ki ski ki ba mata ne nei